Hello everyone, this is going to be a tutorial on how to download and install the OTA for Android 10 for Pixel devices. So your first step is going to be going to the developer's website for Android and going to the full OTA images um, downloads page. And so you're going to be scrolling down to whichever Pixel version you have. So for me, I would have the Pixel 3. So I would look for the Android 10 build, click on the link to download it. See, I'm downloading it right here. And we're just gonna wait until that finishes downloading. It's a pretty big size file. It's a gig, about a gig big. So now it is all done downloading. So it should be in my downloads folder right here. Alright, so now following the directions on here, you're going to want to enable USB debugging on your device, and you're going to want to log into your device, so have it without the lock screen. And you're going to execute this command in your command prompt window, so you're going to go to your search bar, type in CMD, press enter, and open the command prompt window. So this is very important. Um, you're going to want to navigate in your command prompt. You're going to want to navigate to your downloads folder, or wherever you're keeping your zip file. So now that I'm in the downloads folder, if I type in dir, you're going to see the blue line or whichever version of the OTA that you downloaded, whichever Pixel device you have. So now that that is all out of the way, you're going to in ADB reboot recovery. And what that is going to do is it's going to reboot your phone into the recovery mode. So you're able to um, you're able to side load the OTA. So once you type in that command, take a look at your phone that's connected to your computer, and a couple seconds later, it should appear with the recovery mode. So now you're going to go back to your computer, go back to your command prompt window, and then verify that your devices are connected and ready to sideload. So type in ADB devices, and you should see your device connected to the computer. So once you've verified that, you're going to type the ADB sideload and then the name of whatever OTA file that you're using. So for me, it would be this blue line OTA name. So I'd copy this entire name, including the .zip extension, and then copy it in the command prompt. So it should look like the final command should look like this. So just a quick side note, you're going to want to navigate to your correct directory before you sideload your ADB. Otherwise, it will not recognize the file because it doesn't know where it is. So in order to do that, let's just say that I'm in the wrong directory. So you're going to want to navigate to first, navigate to the users folder. So you're going to type in cd users, then your username. If you don't know your username, type in dir to show what's inside your users directory. So for me, it would be my name, Alan Shen. So cd, and then your username. And then you're going to want to go to your downloads folder. So cd downloads. So now that you're in your downloads folder, verify that the file is in there. So you can see that the OTA file is in there. So once you're in this correct location, then you're going to type in the ADB sideload blue line, whatever you need to do. So since I've already done it, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to sideload the application. But if you do it, it should start saying that's starting the update and the OTA. So be sure not to disconnect your phone from your computer during this time, since it may corrupt the installation. So just keep your phone installed until you are done with the OTA. So that should be all. And once you're done, it should be all ready to go. Should be all ready to go. And there you have it, guys. That is how to install the OTA for Android 10 for Pixel devices for those of you who are really rushing to get it as it's rolling out this week. Alright, thank you for watching my tutorial and enjoy Android 10.